Hi, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find and how to use voice recorder application and function on Huawei P60 Pro phone. To find it, we have to look for our tools folder. It's in here. We can see a recorder here. So tap it once and now we can start recording. 1, 2, 3, test, 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 and stop. Let's see if it's working. 1, 2, 3, test, test, test. And it works. That is all. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.